At the meeting point of Europe and Asia stands a city unlike any other, a city shaped by empires, faiths, and centuries of human movement. Istanbul, once the capital of one of the world's greatest empires, and later the heart of a modern nation in transformation. Between 1880 and 1970, this city witnessed the fall of an empire, foreign occupation, sweeping reforms, and explosive growth. It lost its throne, but never its soul. This is the story of Istanbul, a city caught between tradition and change, memory and modernity, past and future. At the end of the 19th century, Istanbul stood as one of the world's great historic cities. Still the capital of the Ottoman Empire, it stretched across two continents, bound together by the Bosphorus. By 1880, the city was deeply cosmopolitan. Muslims, Christians, and Jews lived side by side. Ottoman Turkish mixed with Greek, Armenian, Ladino, French, and Arabic in the streets. Minarets, churches, synagogues, palaces, and markets formed a layered urban landscape shaped by centuries of imperial rule. Yet beneath its grandeur, the Ottoman Empire was weakening. Reform movements attempted to modernize the state, while foreign influence grew stronger. Railways, telegraphs, and steamships connected Istanbul to Europe, and Western-style schools, cafes, and boulevards appeared, especially in districts like Pera and Galata. At the same time, traditional neighborhoods preserved older ways of life, creating a city caught between past and future. The early 20th century brought instability. Wars in the Balkans forced waves of Muslim refugees into Istanbul, placing pressure on housing and resources. When the First World War erupted in 1914, the Ottoman Empire joined the conflict, and Istanbul became a city under strain. Food shortages, inflation, and censorship shaped daily life. The once confident capital now lived with uncertainty and fear. Defeat in 1918 marked a dramatic turning point. Allied forces occupied Istanbul, ending centuries of Ottoman sovereignty. Foreign soldiers patrolled the streets, and the empire effectively collapsed. The city became a center of political tension, resistance, and humiliation. While Istanbul remained culturally vibrant, its role as imperial capital was coming to an end. In 1923, the Turkish Republic was founded under the leadership of Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. The capital was moved to Ankara, signaling a decisive break with the Ottoman past. Istanbul lost its political status overnight. Many feared the city would decline, but instead, it began a difficult transformation. Religious institutions were secularized, the caliphate was abolished, and sweeping reforms reshaped society. Traditional dress faded from public life. The Latin alphabet replaced Arabic script, and women gained new rights. Istanbul adapted slowly, carrying both the weight of history and the demands of a modern republic. During the 1930s, the city experienced relative stability. Population growth slowed, and economic life remained modest. Yet Istanbul remained Turkey's cultural and commercial heart. Artists, writers, musicians, and intellectuals continued to define its identity. The skyline remained low, dominated by mosques and historic structures rather than modern towers. The Second World War once again tested the city. Although Turkey remained neutral for most of the conflict, Istanbul felt the pressure of global war. Shortages, rationing, and blackouts affected daily life. Refugees, spies, and diplomats passed through the city, turning it into a quiet crossroads of wartime intrigue. The Bosphorus, once a symbol of trade and connection, became a guarded strategic waterway. After the war, change accelerated. From the late 1940s into the 1950s, Istanbul entered a period of rapid urban growth. Industrialization and rural poverty pushed tens of thousands to migrate from Anatolia into the city. New neighborhoods spread outward, often without planning or infrastructure. Historic districts became crowded, while wooden houses disappeared, replaced by concrete apartment blocks. The 1950s and 1960s reshaped Istanbul dramatically. Roads were widened, historic buildings were demolished, and the city was increasingly designed for cars rather than pedestrians. The population exploded, transforming Istanbul from a historic city into a vast modern metropolis. Social divisions grew, but so did opportunity. Istanbul became the economic engine of Turkey, drawing people with the promise of work and a better future. By 1970, Istanbul had changed beyond recognition. No longer an imperial capital, it had become a sprawling megacity, shaped by empire, republic, migration, and modernization. Yet despite all the transformation, the city's soul remained unmistakable. The call to prayer still echoed across the Bosphorus, ferries still crossed between continents, and history remained woven into everyday life. Istanbul had survived empire, occupation, reform, and explosive growth, emerging as a city forever balanced between memory and movement, tradition and change, Europe and Asia. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through history, please take a moment to like the video. It really helps the channel grow. And if you'd like to see more documentaries about cities, empires, and the moments that shaped our world, consider subscribing and turning on notifications. Your support makes it possible to keep these stories alive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.